What's up, everybody? So I just came home from work, and this guy right here comes out with this box right there, and something I ordered for the car came in. Here we go. Boom! Bam! Boom! Sandwich! Oh, these look so cool. I'll show you what the old ones are. The old ones look like. So, just to put it in perspective before I install them tomorrow, here's the old ones, and then here's the new ones. Huge difference. I also got new headlights coming in here pretty soon. Take about another 3 weeks though. They had to be special ordered, which means they had to be built before they were sent to me. Now it'll take a little longer, but the taillights are here. I'm gonna install them tomorrow. So yeah, the next time you see me, we'll be at my grandpa's house using his tools to install those bad boys. They're gonna look sick.
You like sandwiches, dude?
Eating ham. Not supposed to eat ham, but
It's okay to eat. You like it?
all right, so I just got done with my stream at a good one. Got like 4 followers. It's just pretty sick. Streamed for like, what, 4 hours? I don't even know. But just finished up, all done. Gotta go to bed. Mega streaming. Okay. And link in the description to my Twitch, his Twitch, Pigeon's Twitch in the description. Yeah, I got you. You already know. I gotta plug everybody. But yeah, tomorrow, we install these bad boys. We're gonna install the new taillights tomorrow, Pigeon. So yeah, about to shut everything down, go to bed, have a good night, make chicken and rice tomorrow.
Man needs his milk.
Man needs his milk. It is what it is. Good night, everybody.
Man dropped the milk.
Man dropped the milk. All right, good morning, everyone. Start to a new day. I'm gonna go to work, and then after that, we're gonna go install the new taillights. What's up, everybody? Just got off work, and there's an unfortunate event. I won't be able to do my headlights today because I don't want to do it in the rain. Fuck, man. I was really excited. Might still stop by my mom's house though, see what's up. See if I maybe could borrow the garage. Man, that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'll see you when I pick up the camera next.
Could you imagine being a porn star?
Of course, 30 minutes after I get home and it stopped raining. It's a beautiful day. I don't have a ratchet set here. And I can't just go put them on at my mom's house because I got dinner plans. Fuck you, Alberta. Weather's bipolar. There was like a tornado somewhere. Didn't touch, but it is what it is. So it's the next day, and I'm at work right now, just chilling. After today, though, I'm gonna go to my mom's and put those damn taillights on. I swear to God, if it starts raining, Mother Nature's a fucking bitch. All right, just got off work. Bye. I'm gonna go to my mom's house and install these taillights before that fucking rain comes. Let's do this. Oh no. No. Rain, go away. Coming back another day. So I forgot to pick up the camera, but we got the lights out. We got one of the screws off. Just getting that last one off, and then these ones go on.
20.
They put the bolt behind this wire, and it's fucking retarded. All right, I got the first one in, and it looks sick compared to that one.
Way more awesome.
Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna button this one up, and we're gonna do that one next. All right, do the brake. These look way better than those ones. Oh my god. Signal light. There's the right one, and do the left one. Yes, those look way cleaner. On now. Looking fucking sick. Damn. There was one bolt in there being a fucking bitch. I dropped it twice, but I found it. It looks sick. Honestly, I'm pissed at myself because very minute scratches there, but like, goddamn. Push the brakes.
Yeah.
Damn.
Turn on the signal light.
I don't think it will turn on. My keys aren't in the car. Oh, hazards. That works. That works. Perfect. They look nice. Very excited to get these shitty old ones in for these new ones. Pretty sick. I'm happy. Can't wait for the headlights now. That'll be another vlog because they're gonna still take a while, and these are fucking foggy as shit. Sweet. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. The taillights look sick. I'm happy with them. I'm excited for the headlights to come. I know I don't upload a lot. It's just because I don't have an upload schedule and I don't have much things to record. But you can find me on my Twitch. I do stream quite a bit over there, but you know, work and stuff gets in the way sometimes. Twitch.tv/knifin_ca. That's where you'll find me. Anyways, thank you for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.